what you see here is the latest electric SUV from the world of BYD, and yes, this is called the Yangwang U8. You know, it is built for the Yangwang brand by BYD and sold in China, and it is a really crazy SUV. Now there are several big highlights that we'll be talking about this in this video, and all of it is going to come from Auto Expo 2025. What you see here is a massive chrome grille. Now every detail over here is a 3D element, looks really bold and luxurious, and it extends into the headlights and the indicators, which are sequential of course, and everything comes in together to give you an imposing look. Now there is a heavy duty bumper over here as well, and as you come towards the side, you notice some really huge alloys. Now these are very big, and these add a lot of character to the SUV. Of course, here you'll see the E4 badging, yes, because it is built on the E4 platform, and that is what this denotes. And the big thing about this particular SUV is that it is an electric SUV which comes with a petrol engine as a range extender. Yes, it gets a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine that acts as a range extender, but at its core it is an electric SUV. As you come towards the rear, you'll find more details over here. So of course this is an imported vehicle from China, so this is why you have the Chinese badging, but look at it, such a massive SUV, and to go with that you have that massive wheel cover as well, which instead of a circular design gets this hexagonal design, so adds a different touch. You have the U8 badging here and similar clustered jewel pattern lighting for the tail section as well. Now let's quickly go inside the cabin and see what's on offer there. As you can see, like the exterior, the cabin too looks massive and luxurious. It is a 5-seater cabin. You get full fall leather interiors over here. Perforation, it denotes that you do get ventilation function, along with electrically adjustable seats for not just the front, even the rear passengers. We'll get to that soon. You have 3 displays over here. Of course, this is the main command center. You have the passenger display right there, and the cluster over here is that you have this nice flat bottom steering wheel with a ton of in-car controls, and yes, you also see ADAS controls here. So yes, you also get ADAS. Now quickly get into the rear seat and find out what you get there. You get the proper Boss treatment at the rear. Here you can see that you have electrical controls to push the front seat ahead. Yes, you have that. Along with that, you have electrical controls on the side to control this seat as well. Then you have 2 screens attached to both these front seats, which is of course the entertainment unit, and with that you have everything like a proper central arm control. Now here you have a display to control other in-car functions. Right now it is off, so we cannot show you them, but yes, a wireless pad, charging pad here as well. Full luxury experience. And then of course finally a huge panoramic sunroof that adds that extra touch of premiumness. Another really interesting feature that this SUV gets is a 360 turn. Now yes, this SUV can turn at the same place 360 degrees, and that is really cool. Now, as I mentioned earlier, here you get an electric vehicle with a petrol engine as its range extender, and combined they produce a total output of that is close to 1200 bhp, and even the torque output is around 1300 Newton meters. Now, combined these offers you an extended range of around 1000 kilometers, and that is massive. Let us know if you want to see this SUV come to India, and for more such videos, keep following Car and Bike, and we'll be giving you more videos from the Auto Expo 2025 on this channel.